I just wanted to film a quick intro for this video. I'm just about to finish editing it, and I want to thank Duncan from Jörg Car Detailing, the guys who have detailed this car and who let me shoot there. He's been great. He also set me up with the GT3 RS shoot and to a certain extent the M3 shoot as well. So thanks to him. If you want to find any of the guys' details from this video, or if you're interested in the detailers, then check the description down below and there'll be links to all that kind of stuff down there. The editing section of it was 20 minutes long with me talking over it, and I figured that's probably a little bit long, so I've just done a sped up version of the edit so you can see everything I do. No explanation, I'm afraid, but there's some music over it and you can just watch and enjoy it and you can see my process. Cool. Like, mad. That's so loud. Yeah, I think we want it sitting being aware that yeah, it's good. Oh my god!
Headed lower as well.
Something about a supercar lowering. It's just so good.
Yes, I agree.
Oh, so what? So he's got an exhaust system on it, or?
Yeah. So he's got a full. I can't remember the brand, what it is, but he's had a full exhaust on. Relatively easy to open.
You're giving me the keys to this Lamborghini.
It's just your A5 key.
Such a shit key, isn't it?
Yes. It's such a shame.
Lamborghini.
Such a shame. And then the newer STOs have the same key.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the Porsche
You have like an STO
nicer.
or something, it's the same key.
So if I lock this and then, oh, the lights come on. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I can just lock and unlock. That's what I've been doing with the BMW. Do you want to take that one? Do you want me to do something with? Do you want to just take it?
What you want? If
yeah,
you
I'm done
want
with
it
it
as background or something.
No, I think I'm just going to keep this as like I want this as like a scene. Lamborghini, lit, tires, cool, kind of like. Oh, that looks mega. Right, let's have a little look what it looks like on the 85. By M3 competition. Oh, it doesn't sound. It sounds better inside it. I think it's got audio for the speakers. Okay. I think I'm going to go for a really long shot. Front 3/4. Oh, I'm already in love with it, and it's not even focused on the car yet. I think that is good for the car. It's got a little bit of viewfinder for this one. Okay, I'm going to go for that for the car. 5 seconds, 2.2 ISO 100. And I'm going to do a few different exposures for this because I'm then going to turn the lights on as well. And then I'm going to go for super dark, unlock it. Oh, look at the lights in that. 1/8 of a second. Okay, so now we've got both images into Lightroom. final image. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it educational. I hope you maybe learned something. If you want to see any more videos like this, please drop it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting way more editing content, way more photography content in the future. I've got a couple of really cool videos I'm editing at the moment with some behind the scenes photography of a M3 and some behind the scenes photography of a GT3 RS, which was a really cool shoot. We got some really cool rolling shots on that shoot as well. So if you were interested in that kind of thing, then for sure subscribe to the channel. And if you want to check out some more of my photography, you can find me on Instagram at charlie_takes_photo. Thank you very much. Peace.